What's going on, guys? It's your boy. Just a quick little thing I want to say before this video gets started. I lost some of the footage, unfortunately, so you're gonna kind of see skipped ahead from the intro and everything. So this is the intro, basically. What we're installing today is some struts on the hood. Z's should have came with this because I don't know why Nissan did not put this in the new Z's. Like, at least put them in like the 2015 and up, for example. They did not do that. They kept it the same. They should have done it, or they should have done it from the beginning anyways. But yeah, so we're gonna put struts on the hood in this video. Hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be a pretty sick little detail that I added to the car, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, guys, so we're at the shop and I think we're gonna install these today. We'll see how smooth it goes. I already got one nut in, so basically all you gotta do, I don't want to cut the trim, so all you gotta do is take these little things off and put these nuts in there. This little nut right here, you take it off of this and you put it in there. That way the little ball is hanging out and you can strap the strut on there. Same goes on this side, just like this, and then you tighten it from the bottom. And that's exactly what we're gonna do, as you can see right here. I'll have to raise the car up and do that, and then I think you take you're gonna take one of these nuts out and put the plate on there to do that. Alright, guys, so as you can see, we got that. So now, technically, we can take this thing off and we should be fine. Look at that. No more hood latch. And then when I open it up, we got extra maneuver when the car's hood is up now, and that car meets it looks a lot cleaner. Oh, what is going on, guys? Before this video ends, I just want to say a big thank you to you guys. We reached 300 subscribers. I couldn't have done it without y'all. I know it's such a small number and I'm making such a big deal out of it, but the reason for that is because I just appreciate y'all so much, and I thank you guys, because without y'all I wouldn't keep doing videos. I'll probably give up. But aside from that, yes, I know the big surprise one of one part isn't this video. It's because the guy's really busy right now that's gonna help me, which is Stefan. So I'm waiting on him to be done with his things, that way he can focus on whatever it is that we're gonna do. And yeah, guys, that's all I'm waiting on. So until he tells me that he's ready, we're gonna continue on and doing stuff to the car. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, click the bell for notifications. Peace.